An EL01 error code on your MRCOOL DIY mini split means your unit is having problems communicating between your indoor air handler and your outdoor condenser. Let me walk you through what you can try to do and fix it. Before we get into the steps, you need to be sure to have a Phillips head screwdriver and a voltmeter to accurately diagnose your system's issue. First, like everything technical, try turning it off by turning off the air handler, then flipping the breaker. Then wait about 2 minutes and let everything reset. Then flip the breaker again and turn the air handler back on. If it takes 20 minutes to come back, it's probably an interruption in the signal of the control wire. That signal issue could be something as simple as a television or microwave signal interfering with your system. Try turning those off to see if the issue continues. If that seems to fix it, then you will need to try moving what is causing the interruption to a different location. However, if the error code appears again within 3 seconds, it is most likely a control board issue. Check the wiring on the indoor and outdoor units. Make sure the wire's numbers match with the connections. If they are correct, but you're still seeing the code, you will need to use a voltmeter to check the AC voltage between the L1 and L2 on the condenser. If that is fine, then you need to check the AC voltage on wires 1 and 2 going to the air handler. If you still aren't finding any issues, then you need to measure the DC voltage between 2 and 3, black lead on 2 and red lead on 3. If the value is fixed and close to 0, then you need to check the wiring connection from the indoor terminal to the indoor primary control board. If the value is alternating between negative and positive, then you need to replace the indoor primary control board. If they're good, then contact MRCOOL's technical support. We hope this helped you, and if you're still having issues, please contact MRCOOL's technical support team and they'll be happy to help you further.